Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preserving data. Back up to iCloud or your computer now, because some fixes reset settings. Once backed up, remove the case and any screen protector so sensors read accurately, and clean the glass with a microfiber cloth to remove oils that mimic touch. Make sure battery is above 50%, then disable reachability, assistive touch, and any glove modes. These steps reduce false inputs and let you observe the ghost touch without accessories interfering, so you can clearly diagnose the next actions. You now tackle software causes. First, force restart using your model's key sequence to clear transient firmware glitches. This often stops phantom taps immediately. Once restarted, check settings for an iOS update and install the latest release. Updates patch touchscreen drivers and kernel bugs. After updating, reboot and isolate apps. Uninstall any recently added apps, or boot into a diagnostic/safe state to see if ghosting persists. If touch behavior changes, you've identified a software conflict and can avoid reinstalling. You proceed to hardware checks when software steps fail. Carefully inspect the screen edge for lifting and the back for battery swelling. Physical separation or pressure points often cause ghost touch. If you see damage, replace the display assembly or consult an Apple-authorized repair to avoid further harm. Once repaired, or if no damage is visible, perform a factory reset to recalibrate the touch controller. Restore your backup after verification. If problems continue, one key troubleshooting tip: test with a known good display or at a repair shop to isolate motherboard faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.